Hi guys, my name is Nneka and I'm a YouTuber from Lagos, Nigeria. Today we are going to learn how to remove cracked heels. Cracked heels are often embarrassing. It's as a result of dryness, lack of blood flow. Obesity also causes it. Sometimes it's caused by using excessive hot water, inappropriate shoe sizing. But whatever the cause may be, today we are going to learn how to remove it. Very simple tips on how to remove it. So let's go on ahead. To do the treatment, I require paraffin wax. So I'll melt it right now. To melt this, you can choose to grate it. If you grate it so that it will be in smaller particles so that it will be easy to mix. Now it is melted. So I'm going to go ahead now and introduce my olive oil. Olive oil is a natural healer. It is rich in skin softening and moisturizing. I'm going to now go ahead to add a teaspoon of olive oil, because that depends on the quantity of the paraffin. So I'm going to give it a good mix now. And then I'm going to drop a slight lemon water, just a drop, few drops. Lemon is full of vitamin C. It's anti-aging, it's anti-inflammatory. It's going to stop the infection or whatever bacteria that is responsible for the growth of those cracks. I've mixed it very well now, and I will now introduce my brush. Then I will apply it right now. So you're going to scoop this and then use it to cover your entire heels. Please ensure that you apply as fast as possible before it really gets cold. So apply it in this manner. This way you can allow it to firm up, allow it to harden up. You can wear your socks. It's very soothing because it's warm. Please, before you apply this, ensure that you clean your feet very well. Exfoliate your feet, that is the affected area, so that this treatment can really penetrate. You can layer as many times as possible. The lemon will heal as well as the olive oil. It's going to draw a lot of moisture and life to that spot, and it's going to retain it. It's not going to allow it escape, and as well as it's not going to also allow external air to penetrate. So this will enable the area to soften. Sleep in it, and in the morning you'll be shocked at the magic that would have happened on your feet. And all you just need to do is just to wash off, and your feet will be immensely clean. Look back and say just this simple treatment that had that you were waiting for all along. So I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I hope that it's been useful to you. Please go ahead and subscribe, like, share, give us a thumbs up, and forward to your friends and families. So until next time, take care. And it's still warm. It's very soothing. It's really very soothing. I like it. Around here is warm. There's a lot of activity. I can feel here that there's a lot of warm, and it's very soothing. It's going to really help you with a good night's sleep. Honestly, I like the feel. And so thank you so much for watching. I really like the feel. To be honest, I really like the feel. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you subscribe.